In a sunny meadow, there lived a little bee named Buzzy. Buzzy was a cheerful bee who loved to fly from flower to flower, collecting nectar to make the sweetest honey. Every day, Buzzy buzzed around with a big smile on his tiny face, happy to help the flowers and his hive. One bright morning, as Buzzy buzzed happily around the meadow, he heard a whisper among the daisies. The flowers were talking about a faraway garden. "The flowers there are in danger," said a rose. "The bees are too scared to visit," added a daffodil. Buzzy felt a flutter in his heart. He knew he had to help. So, he decided to be brave and fly to the faraway garden. As Buzzy started his journey, he met many friendly insects along the way. First, he met a wise old butterfly named Flutter. "Why are you flying so far, Buzzy?" asked Flutter. Buzzy explained about the flowers in danger. Flutter nodded wisely and said, "Remember, courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. Keep going, little bee." Feeling inspired, Buzzy flew on. Next, he met a group of busy ants marching in a line. "Hello, Buzzy," they called out. "Where are you going?" Buzzy told them his mission. The ants cheered, "Teamwork is the key. We ants always work together. You'll need friends to help along the way." With a grateful buzz, Buzzy continued his journey. Soon, he saw the faraway garden. But the flowers looked sad and droopy. Buzzy took a deep breath and flew into the garden. At first, the other bees were frightened, but Buzzy shared the lessons he learned from Flutter and the ants. "We must be brave and work together," he told them. Slowly, the scared bees began to follow Buzzy's lead. They flew from flower to flower, collecting nectar and helping the flowers bloom. Before long, the garden burst into color and life. The flowers smiled up at the bees, and the bees buzzed happily. Buzzy felt proud. He had faced his fears and made new friends along the way. When Buzzy returned to his meadow, he was welcomed as a hero. The flowers praised his bravery, and the bees admired his courage. From that day on, Buzzy was known as Buzzy the Brave Bee. And whenever flowers were in need, Buzzy and his friends were always ready to help, reminding everyone of the importance of courage, teamwork, and the special role bees play in nature. And so, Buzzy's story buzzed through the meadows, inspiring bees and flowers everywhere to be brave and work together.